have a new marker. Let's hope it's better, more visible. Hey, right now we're going to work on pages 757 and 758 of your books. Here's the last bit of homework from last week. So pull those out and take a look at it. Remember, we got 2 weeks left in this chapter. Plenty of time. No rush. This Friday we take a quiz. But even in this weird virtual world, we'll do the same thing with the quiz. You'll send me your quiz. I will mark the ones that are wrong with a red marker. And you will have a chance to fix it. Okay? Page 757. First thing, the vocabulary check. Check your vocabulary. You can ignore that. Number 2, concept check. Check your concepts. Daughter check. Good morning.
Good morning.
My daughter just woke up.
Okay.
All right. Love you. Concept check. Shade the models to find each product. Write in simplest form. Don't worry about shading the models. If you want to, you can. What the heck? Well, let's just do the math, shall we? 2/5 times 1/2. A half of 2/5 is 1/5, right? Should do it. 2/5 times 1/2. 2/5 times what was that? 2 times 1 is 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Can they both be divided by 2? Why, yes, of course they can. 2 1/5. The other way that I do it, that you don't have to do it like me, that's okay. But the other way you can do it is, oh, look, I got a 2 on the bottom, I got a 2 on the top. Get rid of them. They turn into a 1. 1/5. 1/5 is your answer. Whether you do it this way or you do it that way. Everything's beeping this morning. Number 3. 3/4 times 3/5. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 5 is 20. 9/20. No need to simplify there. 9/20. Number 3. Number 4. Multiply. Write in simplest form. 1/2 times 4/9. All right. Let's do it. 1/2 times 4/9 equals 4. 2 times 9 is 18. You can divide them both by 2. Of course you can. 2/9. Half of 4/9. Yeah. 2/9. Number 5. 4/5 times 5/6. Why do I feel like I've done this page before? I haven't done this page before, have I? Monday. Such a Monday. Apples. Number 5. 4/5 times 5/6. See something you can cross out? See a number that's the same on the top and on the bottom. 4 times 5 is 20. 5 times 6 is 30. Oh! They both end in a 0. They could both be divided by 10. 2/3. Ja! 2/3. Actually, let's just do it like that. That's super easy. 2/3. Nice. Nice and easy, that one. Because 20 can be divided by 10, 30 can be divided by 10, of course. All right, here, now we have the mixed fraction one. 1/5 times 4 2/3. 1/5 times 4 2/3. I think I'm going to go buy a whiteboard today. I think it's my plan. Go a little walk, buy a whiteboard so I can not waste all this paper. 1/5 times 4 2/3. Okay, we have to change that into an improper fraction. We have to get rid of the whole number. 4 times 3 is 12. Add it to the 2, 14/3. We'll multiply it by 1/5. Oh, that's easy. Oh, we don't have to simplify. Excellent. 1 times 14 is 14. 5 times 3 is 15. You're done. 14/15. Yeah, thank you. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'll be appearing daily here. 7 1/8 times 2 5 6. This is going to be a little bit more complicated. Not that hard. 7 times 8, 56. Is that right? 7 times 7 is 49. So, yeah, 56. Thank you. 56. Adds 1. 57 eighths. Oh my god. They're big numbers you're going to deal with here. 2 times 6 is 12. Add to the 5. 17 sixths. 57 times 17. Really? Really? That's what they want us to do? This is a boy. Alright, let's do that. 57 times 17. Should I do it? 57 times 17. I'm going to do it up here. 57 times 17. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 7 is 35. 39. 1. Easy, right? 1. 9. Jeezo, peezo. 6. Carry the 1. 5 plus 3 is 8. 9. 969. And then the bottom are 64ths? What kind of cruel monsters are these people? 8 times 6 is 48. The answer is 969 48ths? I'm going to write a letter to this math company. This is inhumane treatment of you children. Oh my goodness. 968 48ths? Honestly? Really? Jeez. Now we have to divide. We have to simplify. Yeah, now we can do it. We got room still. 969 divided by 48. Oh, it's not that hard. What's 48 times 2? 96. 40 times 2 is 80. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 80, 96. We got 96. That's 0. You got 9 left over. Can't put anything in. The 0. And you have a remainder of 9. So, 969 divided by 48 is 20. So our answer is, oh my goodness, our answer is 20, remainder of 9, 48ths. Oh God, we're not done yet, because we can still simplify. I am writing a letter. Still, we're getting the same one. We can divide both of those by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 48 divided by 3 is 16. 20 and 3/16. That is the worst one yet. I promise not to give you any of that horrific on the quiz on Friday. 20 and 3/16. Oh my goodness. Phew. Okay, luckily we now get to move on to this thing. Without multiplying, circle whether each product is greater than, less than, or equal to the whole number. 8. 4 1/8 times 7. Is that going to be the whole number 7? Is that going to be less than that? Less than 7 or more than 7? Or the same? It's going to be more than the number because you're multiplying by 4 and some extra. Number 9. So 8 would be greater than. Number 9. 3/5 times 1 is it going to be less than, equal, greater than, less than, or equal to 1? It's going to be less than 1 because it's a fraction. It's 3/5 is less than 1. Again, whatever, people. Turn the page. Time for my favorite part, word problems. The wind doesn't stop blowing my paper. 10. Tom spent 1/6 of the day working in the flower bed. He spent 2/3 of that time adding mulch to the flower bed. What fraction of the day did Tom spend adding mulch? 1/6 times 2/3 equals 2/18. Simplify. 1/9. He spent 1/9 of the day. That's such a weird question. 1/9 is the answer. So I need to know. Number 11. Nick spent 1 3/4 hours doing homework. And he spent 1 hour and 45 minutes. No one says 1 3/4 hours. 1 hour and 45 minutes is what he did. 1 3/4 hours. Of that time, 2/3 was spent on a social studies project. How many hours did Nick spend working on the project? So, let's get a piece of paper for this one. 1 3/4 times 2/3. 1 3/4 times 2/3. 1 3/4 times 2/3. That's an equal sign. We have to change this, right, into a fraction that that's not a mixed fraction. 1 3/4. 1 times 4 is 4, added to 3, 7. 7/4. 1 3/4 is the same as 7/4. Because a 1 is the same as 4/4. 4 by 4 is 1. So 4 plus 3 is 7. 7/4. And now you just multiply it by that 2/3. You got 14/12. You gotta simplify. Well, let's do this. Let's simplify it first. Let's divide them both by 2. 7/6. 7/6. We can simplify even further to 1 1/6 is your answer. 6 goes in 7 one time. You have 1 left over. 1 1/6. He spent 1 1/6 hour. So he spent 1 hour and 10 minutes. Who writes these books? People who are trying. People who are trying hard write these books. Okay, brain builders. Time to build our brain. Wahahaha. Anita grew a garden with 3/4 of the area for vegetables. In the vegetables section, 1/6 of the area is carrots. What fraction of the total garden is carrots? Draw a model. I'd rather you draw a carrot. You can draw a carrot if you want to. What the heck? 3/4 times 1/6. 3 times 1 is 3. On the top, on the bottom, 4 times 6 is 24. 3 24ths. They can both be divided by 3. 1/8 is your answer. 1/8 is the answer of number 12. 3/4 times 1/6 equals 1/8. Test practice. Practice your test. Mr. Taylor collected apples on Friday. On Saturday, he collected 2/3 of the amount collected on Friday. How many bushels of apples did Mr. Taylor collect on Saturday? So, on Friday, he collected 3 2/3. 3 2/3. Should I say that again? What the heck? 3 2/3. Just stalling for time as I write here. I'm going to multiply that by 2/3. Because this is how much he collected on Friday. On Saturday, he collected just 2/3 of that. So, what do we have to do? We have to make this fraction just an improper fraction. You have to think about a top-heavy fraction where the number is bigger on the bottom than it is bigger on the top than it is on the bottom. So think of a better vocabulary for math. 3 times 3 is 9. Added to the 2 is 11. So 3 2/3 is the same as 11/3. Same as that. So now you just multiply it by 2/3. 11 times 2 is 22. At the bottom you got 9. 3 times 3. 22 ninths. How many times does 9 go into 22? Twice. Because 2 times 9 is 18. 22 minus 18 is what? 4. 2 and 4 9. So is that one of the answers? It was D. 2 and 4 9 bushels. All right. I'm going to go to the store and buy myself a whiteboard. Because I had one ages ago when the kids were little. That was years ago. Time to get a new one. I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to send out the homework for this week. Woo! And anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye.